Like, I'm just not here for it.
It's about fresh and meat in it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. So today is Friday the 8th of December and we are currently on our way to a Christmas jumper party. I can't lie guys, I'm tired. Like, I have energy, but this energy could be in my bed right now, snuggled up, watching a movie with the electric blanket on. Oh, but it should be a good time. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. Thank you guys for the love on all the vlogs, by the way. I'm enjoying doing them, so as long as you guys are enjoying watching them, I'm gonna keep them coming. But if you're new here, my name is Ayo. Welcome to my channel. Stick around, subscribe, like the video, because the likes really help me guys. It pushes my content, gets people seeing it, so continue to do that, and let's go into this party.
What? Paper. Cut.
Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the vlog. This is Vlogmas that we are doing. Obviously yesterday you guys saw me, we were going to a Christmas party. That was really fun, it was really nice, but I can't lie guys, today I am feeling like I'm just not here for it. But like, I've said to myself that I'm showing up, like regardless, I'm showing up for myself. I'm not gonna allow my feelings to dictate how I show up for myself anymore. So I'm here. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know those days where you just feel really like I think my social battery is a bit low. I feel like I'm just a bit tired. I feel like I just need rest, but I've been resting all day, so it's not physical rest, but you know what I mean? Like, yeah, like just feel blur. Like the weather is so gloomy and it's so cold. Like, I'm not depressed or anything, but it's just one of those days. Like, I know when I have a good night's sleep, wake up, go to church, be in the house of the Lord, I'll regain my strength. But right now I'm just in a really like leave me alone chill mood. That's how I can describe it. But yeah, so just been chilling all day, literally. That's all we've been doing. And then we quickly went out to collect my bag from my friend Amanda, because I left it at the party yesterday. Yeah, but since then we had breakfast, we had jollof rice. The food yesterday was so nice. We had jollof rice, watched final game of Squid Game, final episode, and Surviving Paradise final episode, and then I just went to sleep, and here I am. But I said, you know what, it's one thing, I'm gonna definitely acknowledge how I feel, because you have to acknowledge how you feel, like, do you know what I mean? But I'm not going to allow that to dictate how I live my life or how I show up for myself. Do you know what I mean? Like, the same way, like, as a Christian, obviously when you're going through things in life, you don't want that to influence your relationship with God, or, you know, your dedication and stuff like that. It's the same way, you know, when you're having a rough day, you should try and not let it influence how you show up for yourself. And I think for me, something that's been really important is like Vlogmas. It's important because I've never in the history of my life ever been so consistent on this YouTube channel, and like I can already see like the benefits of it, and I want to keep it up. You guys are enjoying it, I'm enjoying putting out the content, so I want to continue doing it. Do you know what I mean? And I was just like, oh my gosh, like, what am I even gonna film today? Obviously I was supposed to go out, not going out anymore. I was thinking, what am I gonna film, what am I gonna upload? Because you know what happened? I ordered clothes, yeah, because I wanted to do like a ASOS party outfit haul, like, you know, just even because so many events are coming up, and, you know, just some inspo for you guys as well, and for my Instagram and my TikTok. Please tell me why I ordered these things on Thursday thinking it would come on Friday. I clicked standard delivery, so it's not even coming till Monday. So that was annoying, because that was actually what I was supposed to film and upload today. So that just messed me up a bit, but here I am. Here I am in my truth. Here I am, guys. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the most of this evening. So I'm gonna make a good hot chocolate because I love Galaxy hot chocolate with milk, not with water. Ugh. So I'm gonna make a good warm fat mug of hot chocolate. I hope we have some left, you know, because I have a feeling that it's almost done. And if it's almost done, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'd have to go and buy more. That's what I'm gonna have to do. But yeah, and then I'm gonna make a really, really hearty good meal. You know, there's so many hearty good meals, but one that I love is pasta bake with a lot of cheese and garlic bread. And I'm not even gonna hold back on how many garlic bread I have. I'm gonna have all the garlic bread that I want. I might even make some wings. I might even go M&S and get like something like a bakery, something. No, I'm not doing that as long. I don't know. But hot chocolate and pasta bake. Because for me, when I'm like this, I just need good food, honestly, and good sleep. And I'll be calm the next day. So here is to us showing up for ourselves, regardless of how we feel. And here's to us making the most of every situation. And here's to us being consistent. Let's go. So yeah, I'm just sat in my bed right now, but I've had a good shower. I had a long, hot shower. I was watching one of my shows. I'm feeling fresh. I'm wearing clean clothes. I'm gonna put on some fluffy socks right now. And I'm gonna have a hot chocolate. And I'm gonna make my food. And I'm gonna watch a nice Nollywood movie. Because you know Nollywood movies, you know what I love about them? You don't have to think too much. Like, you don't have to apply your brain. You know the storyline already. So you can just watch it. It's not like these movies where you have to be studying and not miss a thing. And So guys, let's go and do this. Guys, you can't make this up. The hot chocolate is finished. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna go out quickly. I'm gonna go into the cold and get some because come on, like, let's be for real. I need way more than this. This is like, I like to load it up. But yeah, let's go. So I've arrived to my local Asda. And yeah guys, I don't even know what I'm coming here to get, but let's go. Some onions. That's just so dead. Now for what I really came here for, guys, if they don't have it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because I'm already feeling robbed coming here because everything is like double the price of Lidl or Aldi, and they have it. Should I use all of the nice cups? Should I use the Christmas cup? We haven't used them yet. Let me not be a snake. I'll use my mini one. This is my one. I use this. Look how lovely this cup is. My friend Jen got it for me as a like a getting married gift. I use this one. So all you really want to do is fill up your cup with as much milk as you want. I'm filling it up because I want all the milk. So we're going to put this in the microwave. Make sure it's a cup that's handle doesn't heat up because you will burn your hand and it will overflow. You also want to keep an eye on it as well because it likes to bubble up. So yeah, I'm not going to use the lid, the microwave cover for this. So just put it in there for about 3 minutes. So guys, the pasta is on. Right now, I'm going to season my chicken. While I also heat up the pan that I'm going to put the chicken and the sauce in. I just put a little bit of sunflower oil or whatever oil this is. I don't even know. While that's heating up, I quickly season it. This is like an Italian meal, so I'm not going to be using like Maggi or anything like that. Just season it with salt, a bit of salt. I use some black pepper. I'm basically trying to mimic Vapiano's, but unfortunately I don't have mushrooms. I will use a bit of aromat. I'm sorry, I have to. Just a tiny bit. I'll use mixed herbs. Obviously, we're making Italian food. And then, what else? Sometimes it's just vibes when I'm cooking. Have I got chili flakes? I think I'm out of chili flakes. I might just have to use chili powder. No, I'm gonna chop fresh chilies. Duh. I don't need that. I think that's it. That's it. Oh, some garlic. Should I use fresh garlic? Yeah, maybe some fresh garlic, garlic paste. I'm just gonna mix this all together. I could use my hands, but I've washed my hands off cleaning the chicken, so I don't really want to get them dirty again. So just mix that together. I feel like whenever I'm cooking like with cheese or like cream, I feel like I don't really need to go heavy with the seasoning because pasta's overflowing. Because cheese has a lot of salt. Do you know what I mean? So I just feel like I don't need to do that. But yeah, so that's all mixed in. And this is 2 boneless thighs. I'm so happy that I got up and started doing this. So I would have just literally been in bed. So the oil is hot. I'm literally just gonna do it in there. And let that cook for about like 8 minutes. So while that's finishing, I'm gonna cut the onion, cut the chili, grate my cost of living cheese, and prep all this so that I can literally set that aside once it's done, cook all this up together, and then have my sauce, and then just mix everything in. So I'll show you guys the final finished form. Like, you guys don't even understand how happy I am right now. I don't care about presentation. I don't care about how this looks. I couldn't give a heck. Because I know this tastes bad. I was supposed to cook for 1 person, but I actually made a lot. So he can have it if he wants it. But I don't think he wants it. He said he wants chicken tenders. I'm not holding back. Okay. Put that there. And look at this glorious plate of food, guys. Oh my gosh. Mwah. With my hot chocolate. Mwah. So right now, I'm gonna go put on a Nollywood movie. Maybe one with Uche Montana or Maurice Sam. You know the vibes, if you know, you know. And I'm talking about the YouTube ones, by the way. I'm gonna unbox my food.
School light binder's ready.
Can you order me like 400 more of these headphones? Canada. It's not just a...
Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Good, sir. Please, no. Anything that Daddy wears, he looks just about fresh and neat in it. Please, cut him some slack.
Thank you.